Today, I'm going to show you some essential tweaks in Windows that can significantly improve your gaming experience. First things first, let's enable Game Mode. Go to Settings. You can get there quickly by pressing Windows I. Click on Gaming. In the left sidebar, select Game Mode. Toggle Game Mode to On. Believe it or not, the Clipboard History feature in Windows 10 can consume system resources, impacting gaming performance. Let's disable it. Again, go to Settings. Click on System. Select Clipboard from the left sidebar. Toggle Clipboard History to Off. This should free up some system resources that can now be dedicated to your game. Step 3. Set Power Options to High Performance. Right-click on the battery icon in the System tray, bottom right corner of your screen. Click on Power Options. Select High Performance. Step 4. Disable Background Apps. Go to Settings, Privacy, Background Apps, and toggle off apps that you don't need running while gaming.